Luther King Jr., a towering figure in American history, was born on January 15, 1929, in Atlanta, Georgia. From an early age, he displayed remarkable intelligence and an unwavering determination to challenge injustice. Growing up in the segregated South, he experienced the bitter taste of racism and discrimination, which fueled his passion for equality and civil rights. King's pursuit of education led him to excel academically, earning a doctorate in theology from Boston University. As a young minister, he embraced the principles of nonviolent resistance, heavily influenced by Mahatma Gandhi's teachings. In 1955, he emerged as a prominent leader during the Montgomery Bus Boycott, a pivotal event in the civil rights movement. King's magnetic charisma and powerful oratory skills drew people from all walks of life to his cause. With his voice resonating across the nation, he advocated for desegregation, voting rights, and an end to racial discrimination. However, his pursuit of justice came at a great personal cost. King endured countless threats and acts of violence against him and his family. In 1964, King's tireless efforts were recognized when he became the youngest recipient of the Nobel Peace Prize for his nonviolent struggle against racial injustice. Tragically, on April 4, 1968, Martin Luther King Jr. was assassinated in Memphis, Tennessee, leaving a void in the hearts of millions. Martin Luther King Jr. remains a symbol of hope, courage, and determination, reminding us all that through perseverance and solidarity, we can overcome the darkest chapters of humanity and move toward a brighter and more equitable future.